Hi y'all, welcome to Cajun Cooking TV. Today we are making an eggplant parmesan casserole. That's a lot to say, isn't it? Eggplant parmesan casserole. So today I have Addison with me. Yay, Addison.
Today I have Beryl with me because I'm the star of the show, as you know.
Oh, you're the star. Okay. Well, we'll get started in just a minute.
And before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and put on that post notification bell so you know when we upload another awesome video.
Okay, y'all, so we're making an eggplant parmesan casserole, and Addison and I have got some things already started because this is going to be a process.
And a long process.
It's not a quick casserole, so let me tell you that, but it is so awesome. We made it a few weeks ago, and I actually wrote down everything I did so I didn't want to forget. And the end result is just spectacular. So I'm very happy to be able to video it for you today. We were hoping some of our own eggplant in the garden would work out, but we only got 2, and they were teeny tiny.
And ugly.
They're not ugly.
They are ugly.
So we got 2 normal ones at the store. Yes, we did. Mike Stokes tried, but that's all we got. So we'll set those aside. I'll figure out what to do with them. So the first thing, Addison, and I think you know how to use it, is to peel this peel off. And it'd be easier if we take this top off. So the first thing in eggplant parm is that we need to, some people peel them. I like to peel them because this gets tough sometimes. To peel them, and you can use your vegetable peeler or you can use a knife.
Vegetable peeler is easier though.
It's working good. It's so thick. And we're going to cut it into slices, about 1/4 inch slices. And the key thing is to sweat the eggplant so it kind of tenderizes it and gets the water and the juice that's coming out. Okay.
It's working.
Okay. And so we'll get these eggplant peeled, and then we'll show you what else you have to do to them. So we're slicing our eggplant. Ooh, these are big medallions.
They have seeds.
Uh-huh. Yep.
3 more.
3 more. 1 more. All right. So Addison, in order to make these kind of tenderized, you have to sweat them, make them sweat.
They're not human beings.
We still need to make them sweat. Okay. So I need you to sprinkle salt on this side. And
this salt?
Yes, I got it already in the. You can just sprinkle it on them. You don't have to do it in your hand. There you go. And so we'll let them sit on this side for 10 minutes, and then she'll flip them over and do the same thing. But in the meantime, I am going to start cooking our Italian sausage. It is so good. I love it. So in my big pot here, I've got this on a medium heat. I've got 1 cup of chopped onion, celery, and bell pepper. If you want to put that in there, I'll scoot over. And
you gotta sprinkle it like a marble.
Oh, I see. We have some bulk Italian sausage, which means this is 1.5 pounds. So this is a mild Italian sausage that has not been put in the casing. That's my favorite kind. And this is about 1.5 pounds. Salt them again. So we're back, and I just want to remind you that we'll put the full recipe in our description below, so don't worry about trying to write all this down. It'll be there for you. But it's time for me to chop up this sausage. It's all brown, and now it's time to chop it up. So I think my little assistant is coming to help me. But this is called a mix and chop, and it has little nylon sharp blades in the star shape, and that helps break up ground meat, or in this case, this ground pork. So give it a go, Addison.
I can't even.
I know, need a stool.
It's time to batter our eggplant. So we're gonna have flour, egg, and this stuff. Okay.
I put in about 2 cups of breadcrumbs, the plain ones, because that's what we had open, and then a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and then I have a cup of Parmesan cheese. So will you hand me a spoon? I'll mix it up for you. That's good. So she's going to do the battering of the eggplant medallions. Good job.
Try not to spill it over the edge. That should be good, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Flatten it out.
So you're going to batter those and then put them on our baking pan on that parchment paper. And our sausage is getting good. And we're making a red sauce with this sausage because we're kind of making a lasagna casserole, but instead of pasta, it's going to be the eggplant medallions. And covered in this Italian sausage, and that red sauce is so good. And of course, there has to be some cheese up in here. So we'll put some cheese in there too. I got this all chopped up pretty good. Also, while we had that little end of the eggplant left, I chopped it up, I diced it. So now that our sausage is done, I'm going to put this into here. It's just going to give it a little bit of richness to our red sauce. So that was about a cup of diced eggplant, and that was just what was left over after we made our medallions. Addison did a great job battering our eggplants. So now she's going to put them in the oven at 400 degrees. And we're going to bake them for 15 minutes and then flip them over and do it again.
Did you know Cajun Cooking TV has a cookbook called Cajun Cooking Made Easy? Purchase today to enjoy our full recipes, instructions, links on how-to videos, and much, much more.
So the next thing is we're going to finish off our sauce. So we've got a can of just plain tomato sauce, and then I have the tomato paste that has the basil, garlic, and oregano. This is one of my faves. So Addison, if you'll open those for me. What are you doing?
I'm trying to open it.
Okay. I thought I showed you how to open a can.
No.
Okay, well, we need to have a can opener lesson first. Okay, you ready? Yeah. Okay, so it's like this, like an alligator. Beep, beep. So,
I got it. Ow!
so now go. Oh man, this looks so good. Okay, I need you to flip them. Cooking's hard work, man.
No, I'm just tired.
Oh, you've been sleeping all day. All day. There you go. Good job. Papa, did you get your nose hair trimmed?
Not yet. Addison needs to do it in the next break.
Oh, okay. We don't want him to go out in public with long nose hairs. All right. So now she's going to put these back in the oven and bake them for another 10 minutes. All right. I'll help you.
Okay, so it's finished baking. We're gonna start making the actual casserole. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get a few scoops of this, we're gonna put it in here. And then whenever we're done putting that in there, we're gonna put at least 3 or 4 eggplant slices into here. So we're gonna be putting it in the oven for 15 minutes. I don't. This is heavy. I'm a fast learner.
Okay, y'all, we are all done with our production of eggplant Parmesan casserole. I can't wait to eat it. We're gonna let it sit for a few minutes because it's way too hot to eat right now. So Addison, what do you think about making that?
It was fun, but really messy.
It was really messy.
I mean, I still have the egg in my nails and stuff.
Oh.
It's like,
Well, I think it'll be worth the wait and worth the effort. So in a little while, once we plate it up, I'll take a picture and just post it for you. And again, this recipe will be down in our description below. And what else? Don't forget our cookbook. It's Cajun Cooking Made Easy, and it's available on our website at Cajun Cooking TV. And again, the link for it for your ease is down in our description below. And don't forget to subscribe and press that bell notification.
so you won't forget when we post another awesome video.
Awesome video. See you.
It's a wrap.